Did you know there's a banking giant with a market cap of over $250 billion that has rallied more than 50% in the past year? Yes, I'm talking about Wells Fargo and Company, ticker WFC. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know: valuation, earnings, financial health, dividends, and what the future might look like for this stock. Wells Fargo currently has a market cap of $253.68 billion and an enterprise value of $248.40 billion. The next earnings report is expected on October 10th, 2025, before the market opens. The company has about 3.20 billion shares outstanding, which is down 7.29% year over year, a clear sign of strong share buybacks. Insiders own just 0.13%, but institutions hold a massive 79.10%, showing heavy institutional confidence. WFC's trailing PE ratio stands at 13.59, while its forward PE is 12.90. The PEG ratio is 0.91, suggesting that the stock's growth is attractively priced. Its price-to-book ratio is just 1.52, and the return on equity is a solid 11.50%. On the efficiency side, revenue per employee is $357,687, and profit per employee is around $89,783. In the past 12 months, Wells Fargo generated $77.62 billion in revenue and $19.48 billion in net income. Earnings per share came in at $5.82. On the balance sheet, the company holds $382.13 billion in cash against $381.01 billion in debt, leaving a net cash position of $1.12 billion. Working capital is negative, which is common for banks, but liquidity metrics are still something to watch. FC shares have surged plus 50.37% over the last 52 weeks, an impressive rally. The stock's beta is 1.20, meaning it's slightly more volatile than the broader market. Currently, the 50-day moving average is $79.06, while the 200-day is $74.19, indicating that the short-term trend remains bullish. Wells Fargo pays an annual dividend of $1.80 per share, giving a yield of 2.27%. Dividend growth was 13.79% year over year, and the payout ratio is just 28.33%, leaving room for future increases. The buyback yield stands at 7.29%, bringing the total shareholder yield to around 9.60%, highly attractive for long-term investors. WFC is a banking powerhouse delivering strong buybacks, growing dividends, and consistent profitability. Its valuation looks reasonable, and the PEG ratio suggests there's still growth potential ahead. Of course, being in the banking sector, it's not immune to economic cycles, so investors should keep an eye on interest rates and credit conditions. For those looking for a balance of income and growth, Wells Fargo might be worth a serious look. If you found this analysis helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more stock market breakdowns, and let me know in the comments, will you be adding WFC to your portfolio?